How to add dual clock widget on Android home screen. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now to add the dual clock widget, first of all what you need to do is launch the settings application on your device and toggle on the option of dual clock. So tap on the search bar and simply search for dual clock over here so that it becomes faster. So let's search for the dual clock option, and as a search for it, it will give us these options over here, so we just have to wait for a while. So let's search for these options. So tap on it and here just toggle on the option of dual clock. So tap on got it, and here you can select the second clock as well. So I'm going to select a second location. So it's a very random one, so I'm going to go back and then make a long press on the home screen. Then tap on the widget option, and simply what you need to do is you can just see the option of dual clock over here under the clock widgets. So tap on the dual clock option, select whichever option is more convenient for you, and as you do that you'll be able to see the dual clock widget on your home screen. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.